camp and paddle weekend! Hooray! Right, so at Castle Farm Campsite on the banks of the River Nene. I've come straight from work. It's getting a little bit on the darker side, so I'm not going to do a huge amount of filming tonight. As you can see, the sun is setting in the distance over there. So I'm going to get myself set up. I'm here early, day before everyone else, just because I've done a little bit of organising on this and I want it to go fairly smoothly, but knowing me, it probably won't. So I'll do a bit of filming of the site and get set up. So there's a little path down there to the water's edge. They wanted us to pitch the other side of my car underneath them trees, which is a bit far from the water's edge for me, so I'm just going to wing it and pitch here instead. So let's have a wander down the path. Just got to get myself set up for tonight. Hopefully I don't get moved to where I should be. Hopefully they'll let me keep the group up this end, because I think it'll be better for us. So that's the tent up. Sun is going down rapidly behind them trees, but so far the site is pretty damn empty, barring a little group which is down the bottom of the hill over there. So I'm gonna get my bed out and start cooking. Right, so there's the setup. Timber edge bed, TT001 air mattress from Amazon, a Euro Hike 2-season bag. Looking forward to the night. I'm still in my work uniform. So I had a new head torch delivered to work today. Talk about cutting it fine. The Amazon man arrived at 5:25 to deliver that. It's getting dark, so I'm going to need a head torch. I'm just hoping it's going to come with some form of charge in it. Ignore her. It's massive. Where's the on off button? Whoa! I can see what I'm doing now. That says about 9:10. Yeah, 9:10. Got the fire going, just chilling out. Looking forward to the rest of them all arriving tomorrow. I'm going to just chill out with a drink by the fire for the rest of the night. Seclude myself away from the rest of the world and just chill. It's getting to the point now I'm going to have to sit further back because it's too hot. Yeah, so I appreciate you all joining me on our little kayak camping adventure. If you want to be part of any of these, either give me a message or message Karl, which is More Than Just a Cleaner on YouTube. We've got a separate WhatsApp group which we're all in. We all have a bit of banter on there. So yeah, if you'd like to take part in any of these, and if you want to come and make a fire with the monotone me, drop me a message. We're all a very welcoming group. So yeah, I'll get Karl to add you to the WhatsApp group. I'll probably catch you guys in the morning at this point. So nighty night. Good morning, everybody. Slept alright, I think. There's quite a roar of the A1 in the background. It's a bit of white noise to listen to. There seems to be a lot of agricultural activity through the evening. I hear some form of tractor or beeping or something. But when you live out in the country like I do anyway, it don't really make any difference to you. It's like any other night. have a look at this tree. And for power on the trip, I've got the West Wave 12 volt power bank and an extra power bank which I'll be taking on the water to power the camera. But you might have to bear with me on this trip because last night my camera has developed a bit of a fault where it will just power off saying it's got low battery even though it's above 50-60%. So it might just be a case of needing a new battery. I mean, I have had a camera a year, but I would expect a battery to last more than a year. I'll probably let you guys know how I get on with it, but I'm going to have to keep cutting these clips short. Funnily enough, I was talking about the camera just packing up, saying I'm going to have to... So the sun's coming up and there's actually a nice bit of heat to that, so that's very, very welcome. So now I'm trying something completely different. I've took the battery out of the GoPro altogether and I'm just powering solely off the power bank. So I'm just going to sort of leave this clip running. You won't need to watch it, but I'm just going to leave it running to see if it fixes my problem saying, oh, the battery's low. Because it ain't got a bloody battery in it now, so it can't be low. Well, it's turned into a cracking morning. I've got the tarp up, so it gives me a bit of a shelter or cooking area. Should the weather go AWOL? Hopefully not. It's sun up there flipping roasting. So I'm going to go for a wander. Going to go over there where the canal boats are. That's where Fotheringhay Castle is situated. So I'm going to have a wander around there. It's only just a mound of earth, I think, but a bit of history. Got a narrow boat looking like it's about to leave. Canal boat's got himself moving. I did give him a little push. I'll wander back up to the top of the hill where the campsite is. See if anybody else has arrived yet. Some of the guys said go about an hour away. In fact, here's Karl, look. Karl's here! Getting the boats inflated. The community area is all built. I've fallen down a big hole. All the boats are out, so we're going to have a cheeky paddle. Been a couple of river cruisers go past a minute ago.
And the boat is a trailer. Icy floats.
It's an extension.
Could be sat in it. It's attached to it. It's probably attached.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Well, they definitely fucked it against this Irish point, haven't they?
Yeah. His garden's gone. You'll go back up for a bit. Go the other way.
You what?
Go back up for a bit then.
John just wanted to see his bridge.
I did, I like that bridge.
Solar panel out for a bit.
Solar panel. Right, so it's the first time we've been out, well, first time I've been out on the River Nene before. Launch point's on the sketchy side, so shout out to Raf for helping me in. So I've got a new seat cushion I'm trying out at the minute, and so far it's much more comfortable. So I was out with Michael down the Slee in the previous video to this one, and my posterior wasn't very happy.
I think it would give them the opportunity to do the filming without getting left behind. You know, there's eventually a start anywhere in the camera doing stuff. I don't believe it's got that sort of power. So miles on it, I don't want to be left. This little stretch turns nicely.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Trees over there.
See, it says no partake. We don't say no more. So we might be able to pull up and push the so good boat.
Go for a beer. Bring your wallet.
Yeah.
Oh, where's your hat? Where's your hat?
Here, I'm getting some fucking sun on the solar panel.
Brave man plugging a roll but he's floating down. Brave man than the rest of us. Thank you, some say brave, some say stupid. I'm just not.
No inflatables this week, right?
Yeah, I'm quite clever.
You have?
Yeah.
Brought the fucking story.
No, just to go.
Alright. We're in it.
Look at this.
It's a proper light brown, isn't it? Yeah.
Hello. Alright? Yeah. It's a little area, this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's easy coming down this way. It's plenty of current, isn't it? So you've got to go back against the current.
Oh, we're going to struggle going back, are we?
No, you'll be alright.
Right, so that's brought us back to the campsite. Looks like somebody else is getting a boat out at the other end of the campsite. It's filling up now. It's tea time on Friday. Filled up nicely. Doing some bacon. We've got plenty of new faces. Yeah, no, I'm quite happy with how it's gone so far. Plenty of people, all good laughs. We've been out on the boats already, cooking some tea up. I think I'm going to call it a bit of a success. It's always a little bit concerning when you sort of semi-organise these things. I know Karl predominantly organises it, but he sort of left this one to me to arrange. So yeah, I'm going to sit back and chill for a bit. Morning, campers. It's Saturday morning. Stayed up round the fire, just generally chatting bollocks as you do. So it's about 8:10. We're not far off thinking about going on the water again for the morning. And it's a nice looking day by the looks of it. Right, we're off. Oh.
The length of that is spot on because it's right up to the rear of your boat.
The faster he goes as well, it's more elastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
He gets away from it and then it catches him back up again.
I love it. I thought that might be a bit fun.
Right, so we're back on the water. It's a nice morning. I've got the swan with me on the front as a mascot. Crocodile behind me. Just twatting a crocodile around the face. Oh, he's got his off, he's back in. Got an escaped crocodile. That's what this group is all about, just getting like-minded people out and about on the water, having a bit of inflatable fun. Got Grandad up front here in this new race boat leading away.
Nice looking shark, isn't it?
Right, Saturday night. Had a load of bother with the camera, so no idea whether this will even work at all. But no, had a good day, had a good paddle out. The weather turned a little bit shite in terms of wind, but no, I enjoyed it. I took an early kip, as I can't really be arsed, to be fair. But no, got me inflatable trophy for organising today, so that's a nice little touch by Karl. So yeah, no, I like that. I'll see you in the morning. Right, that's it all packed away. Tent all down there, so just a little bit of flattened grass. Thank you very much for watching. Very much enjoyed this weekend, and if you like it, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra for now.